Look, if you watch the channel, you know I test a lot of smart home tech, and this is one of those products that you honestly don't really have to think about because it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Instead of being something that like works in your house, this one is for your pool, and it just cleans the entire thing while you do literally anything else. MOVA reached out to sponsor this video, and they sent over this, the MOVA Diver A10. This is a really high performance AI-driven robotic pool cleaner, and it does, well, exactly that. It cleans your pool really well. And it can handle the floor, the walls, the water line, all kinds of things built into this one little robot. Now, MOVA makes a ton of products. In fact, I actually checked out their Rover X10, which is like their top of the line model. This one comes in at a much cheaper price, but still comes with all the things you would want from that higher end model, like really great build quality, great features, and most importantly, great cleaning. Now, I'm gonna take you through everything that really matters here with a product like this, like suction, battery life, the filtration, all that good stuff, and you know, how smart it is as well. But I wanna start with the thing that pool cleaners like this really kind of live and die on, which is the suction. The A10 runs 3 high efficiency brushless motors with a dual track drive, and that means it can pull up to 6,000 gallons per hour through this system. That is a ton. And so what that means is that when you see all that debris laying at the floor of your pool, well, this robot will handle it no problem. And it's going to actually pick it up instead of just kind of pushing it around, which sometimes can be an issue, especially underwater. It uses a dual spin brush that can actually spin up and grab everything from like big leaves all the way down to fine sand, which I picked up a lot in this run. I mean, things like sand, hair, algae, leaves, bugs, all the things that eventually end up in your pool, no matter how hard you try for them not to, they just do inevitably. This is built to handle all of it. And on the floor, it really just works extremely well. Now, suction is one thing, but how long it can actually do it, well, that's an entirely other thing. Because all the suction in the world doesn't matter if it's gonna die halfway through cleaning your pool. But that's not an issue here because the A10 has a 7,800 milliamp hour battery inside. And MOVA rates this at about 240 minutes. So we're talking like 4 hours just on a single charge. And so what that means like practically is that this should be able to cover pools around 1,900 square feet. There's a plug here on the back so you can charge it up just over AC. It's super simple. But then you just drop it into the pool, it starts cleaning and it'll just keep going until it's done. And for most pools out there, I mean, 1,900 square feet is a ton. This is going to be able to clean the entire thing from the floor to the edges to the water line in one go without you needing to charge it again. Now, all of that debris that this picks up, well, it's got to go somewhere, and that's where the filtration system comes in. So the A10 has a 3.5 liter basket, which is pretty big here. Plus, it has a removable micro mesh filter that can really catch that fine stuff. So let's just say for whatever reason, you know there's like a ton of sand or algae or some really fine particles in your pool, you're going to want to throw this one in there so that it can clean it super well. But for most of the time, for your leaves, your hair, the bugs, the regular filter is going to work just fine. But you have the option to use both depending on what you need. Now, I ran this in what seemed to be a relatively clean pool, but well, these things always seem to shock you because you pull out the basket and this is what came out of the pool in just a few minutes. We're talking all kinds of leaves, grass, there's bugs in here. There's a ton of like sand in here for whatever reason. And again, that's where something like that fine mesh system is going to be great because that can go down to 3 microns of filtration, which is a ton. And so it makes this all easy cleanup. And once you're ready to empty out this basket, you just pull it out, dump everything out, hose it down, and you're ready to go. It's pretty easy. And what's great is that the flow channels here, they're designed so that they don't get clogged over time. So the suction should stay strong throughout the entire thing, even as it's picking up all this debris. Now, to me, one of the most important areas to clean when it comes to a robot like this is the water line. It's that oily, like chalky ring that starts to build up at the surface of your pool where, you know, things like sunscreen and oils, they just kind of start to linger there. And most pool cleaners just kind of ignore this, but the A10 can actually climb the walls and get to these. It drives straight up the wall and it scrubs the entire water line. And it runs a dual pass up there. So you get 2 scrubs because that's where like all this gunk really tends to cake up over time. So you definitely don't want to have that happen. So this can reach up about 2 inches, 5 centimeters above the water line here. So you're really getting some excellent scrubbing. And you can just see it working when it breaches the surface. It really does a great job of cleaning that water line. And when it comes to all this cleaning, it is genuinely smart about how it does it. And first is when you look at the edge cleaning, because they have what they call Edge Plus. And what this does is it uses magnetic guide wheels to keep it locked to the contour of your pool. So it tracks the edge and gets into those corners instead of just kind of hitting them, bouncing off and going the other direction. And then there is the path planning. This is using Pool Navi, that's what they call it. And so instead of randomly bumping around, which is what most of these robots do, it actually maps out the pool and drives in deliberate patterns. patterns. So you can go in like S shapes or N shapes so that it covers everything without leaving blind spots. Again, most robots like this tend to just kind of bounce around. They'll hit the wall, turn, and just keep going. And the hope there is that those robots will eventually, over enough time, just get everywhere. This is not doing that. This is intelligent instead. And it can actually like see obstacles in front of it. It has a camera built in. So anything under about an inch tall, it's going to climb right over. And well, anything bigger, it's going to recognize and go around. And it can identify steps, drains, ladders, and it just keeps cleaning and not getting stuck, which is super important. And all of this runs through the MOVA Home app, which I use a bunch of MOVA products, so they're all in the same app here. So I have my whole ecosystem here, which is really nice. But this is where it kind of integrates into your whole ecosystem. Once you connect the A10, you've got 8 different cleaning modes right there to choose from. You got floor, walls, waterline, you got a turbo floor mode, an eco mode, and wall, then floor. And then you even get a tanning ledge mode. So if you have one of those shallow areas, well, this is going to be able to clean that as well. All you have to do is pick the mode, hit go, drop the robot in the pool, and it's going to start cleaning. You can check the battery, check the status, check the cleaning schedule, and you can do all of that from your couch, all within the app. So here's the thing. The MOVA A10 does the whole job. It does floors, walls, waterline, and edges, and it filters down that really fine stuff, but it's also smart about how it moves, and it runs from your phone. So it's like everything you want from a smart product. It takes that one chore that often you put off for weeks and just turns it into something that happens in the background, which is kind of the whole point of these devices. That's what makes pool cleaning feel like smart home automation instead of being something you constantly have to be on top of. And if you want to check this out for your pool, I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can pick one up for yourself. There's the best price for you there. Pools are great, but we all know maintenance is one of those things that we'd love to never have to do, but is incredibly important with that water. And so this is a good place to start.